Well, what's up, everybody? My name's Ty, and today we're talking about all things Safemoon and what's new in the space. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor, but I could be for the right price. Now, with that said, let's get into it. Also, that's just a joke. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not advice. This is just entertainment. Today we're going to be talking about Safemoon. Right now, we are up 7.11% in the 24-hour range, and we're up 0.35% in the 1-hour range. Which is pretty encouraging. We're sitting at 0.00056, which is still very low for version 2 of Safemoon, but it's okay. We'll take it. It's better than nothing. We had a great dip all the way down to like 4.6. How low did we go? Damn, it went down to 3.8, 3.9. Back here on the 29th of April, I think I bought in about 4.6. So we had a great dip, and so anyway that bought in there actually are having some great gains today, which is very exciting. But here's what we're looking at, and here's what we're looking at if we zoom out. Here we're at the 1 month range here with Safemoon, and so we are looking at a pretty depressing chart. Something that there's a lot of downhill here, and so why are we seeing that? That's what we're wondering. Is this just something that is a Safemoon isolated thing, or is the whole market looking this way? So I was reading this article this morning that I thought I would share with you guys, and the market is actually not doing very well, and I think Safemoon is not doing very well because of that. Obviously among other things as well, but I think we are not immune to the to where the market is right now. So this says that U.S. stocks edged lower in the first session of May following one of the worst monthly performances for the S&P 500 since the depths of the pandemic in 2020. The S&P 500, Dow, and NASDAQ each fell slightly this morning just after the opening bell. U.S. crude oil prices fell to hover above $101 per barrel, and the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield held above 2.9% or near its highest level since December 2018. Investors this week are bracing for more potentially market-moving events to take place following April's volatile stretch of trading. The S&P 500 sank by 8.8% in April for its worst monthly performance since March of 2020. And we all remember what happened in March of 2020 or around that time. Tech stocks especially were battered, and the NASDAQ composite slid 13% last month for its worst since October 2008. So we are not in a good time for the market as a whole right now. So the fact that we're seeing that Bitcoin is way down, Binance is way down, and Safemoon is way down, it makes sense because the entire market is not doing very well right now. Now, I think the reason that we see that in Safemoon is because Safemoon is still a very risky investment. So more people are going to be, instead of using their own finances, they're going to try to use house money to make plays on Safemoon. So if they're not making any house money from their other investments, they can't move it over into Safemoon, and so we're not seeing moves in price, right? So I think once the market moves, a lot of the bigger investors that actually have the power to move the price, they're going to have the wiggle room to put more funds into those more risky projects like Safemoon. So what would Warren Buffett say about this season and what we are experiencing right now? What would he invest in right now? This was posted on Saturday. He said, "Invest in yourself to reap rewards even when inflation bites." Berkshire Hathaway CEO and Chairman Warren Buffett told shareholders who asked him for advice on what to invest in amid a general increase in price of goods and services. He said, "The best thing you can do is be exceptionally good at something. If you're the best doctor in town, if you're the best lawyer in town, if you're the best whatever it may be, people are going to give you some of what they produce in exchange for what you deliver." The Oracle of Omaha later added, "Whatever abilities you have can't be taken away from you. They can't actually be inflated away from you. So the best investment by far is anything that develops yourself, and it's not taxed at all." So that is great advice amid all of this kind of stuff. Investing in crypto and stocks and bonds and all that kind of stuff is great. But making an investment in yourself and developing your own abilities, because your greatest asset is really your income and being able to create things. So I think that's really important. So I think there's still a lot of good things coming up for the Safemoon army. Right now we are in a bit of a dip, but there's a lot of good things coming, and I think we're not immune to what's going on here in the overall market. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.